Good morning, everyone. I'm Michael Strom from Oasis Senior Advisors, and today we have the pleasure of interviewing Jeff Krolosky of Citizens Lending Group. Jeff, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. How are you?
We're excellent. We're excellent. So now that we're here, I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about you, your background, and your company, Citizens Lending Group.
Sure, I'd love to.
Excellent.
So hi, my name is Jeff Krolosky. I'm with Citizens Lending Group, and we've been around for 26 years. I actually got into the business doing regular mortgages, regular forward mortgages, back in 1991, and I've been doing this ever since. Now I'm married, my wonderful wife Karen. I have 3 kids, and so that's kind of what drives me. That's my why, my wife and kids. I love to help people, and this mortgage business, whether I'm doing forward mortgages or reverse mortgages, I guess actually back in 2012, there was a big need for reverse mortgages, and that's when I got involved. My background all these years have been with FHA programs, and this particular reverse mortgage is a FHA program. So that's kind of how I got into this.
Well, thank you for that introduction, Jeff. So in reverse mortgages, I've heard of this term called H.E.C.M. Can you explain what a H.E.C.M reverse mortgage is for us?
Sure. Well, the reverse mortgage, or the term H.E.C.M, H.E.C.M stands for Home Equity Conversion Mortgage. And the Home Equity Conversion Mortgage is a federal program through FHA, the Federal Housing Administration, and the HUD, and it's designed to protect seniors. Now, it's a program for people that are 62 years of age and older. It's for people that have equity in their home, and it's for people that want to stay in their home.
Jeff, thank you for explaining the difference between H.E.C.M and reverse mortgage and how similar they're the same. So now could you tell us, actually, how does reverse mortgage work?
Sure.
Great.
So the way that it works is this particular program allows seniors to stay in their home. Now, for some people that have a mortgage payment, we're able to actually eliminate the mortgage payment by paying off their current loan. With our particular program, there's no payment that's required until they either A, sell their home, or B, the last one in the household passes away, and at which time it would go to their beneficiaries or their heirs. But the way that it works is, for some people, we're able to eliminate the mortgage payment completely. For others that don't have a mortgage, we're able to actually give them cash out in the form of a line of credit, and they can use that money as they need for any reason. So A, to help people eliminate their monthly payment so that they have more money to live on, or B, help them access equity that they have in their home that they wouldn't normally be able to access. So it's a program that accesses equity in the house for any reason, and it's tax-free income to them. So it really isn't considered income, but it is tax-free money.
So Jeff, I've heard there's a lot of misconception about who actually owns the home in a reverse mortgage situation. Could you clarify that for us, how that actually works?
Absolutely. There are some misconceptions about our program. So the reverse mortgage, in years past, people used to think that the government would take their home, and that's not so. You own your home just as you do today. The only time the loan is actually due and payable is either A, if you decided to sell your home, you can at any time because there's no prepayment penalty, or B, the last one in the house, either husband or wife, pass. The house actually goes to their trust or their beneficiaries, and then they can make some decisions as to what they want to do. Do they want to refinance the house and stay there themselves? They're welcome to do that. Or do they want to just sell the house, pay off the bank, and keep the remaining equity? It's entirely up to them after our clients are gone.
Well, thank you, Jeff. So now that FHA has taken over the reverse mortgage program, can you tell us how the program has changed?
Sure. Well, with FHA, the Federal Housing Administration, getting involved in this program, it's designed to protect seniors. So my job really is to educate people so that they've got a full understanding about how the program works. Then they can make a decision whether or not this is something that would create a benefit for them. But before they can go forward, they have to do an over-the-phone counseling session with an FHA-approved counselor. Now, it could be 30, it could be 50 minutes, it could be an hour. But the counselor is going to make sure that the client understands exactly what they're doing 100% before they can move forward.
Excellent, Jeff. So I've heard that there is actually a HECM now for new home purchases. Can you explain how that would work for a senior?
Sure, I'd be happy to. The HECM for Purchase program typically is for seniors that are looking to downsize their home. A good example is somebody that has a very large home and they want to sell that home because it's just too much, too big. They're able to sell their home, put about 50% down payment on the smaller downsized property, and never make a payment again. So the idea behind that is they can keep a little bit of that money that they got on the sale of their home as a little nest egg. They've got a downsized or smaller condo or smaller property, and they put about 50% down, and it depends upon the ages of the individuals as well. But they put about 50% down, they can live in the home for the rest of their lives and never make a payment.
All right, Jeff, well, thank you so much for sharing with us all the information about HECMs and reverse mortgages. So if a client would like to call you with questions or get a consultation, what's the best number to reach you at?
Well, they can reach me directly at 714-343-2643. That's a direct line to me.
Excellent.
Or they can go online to citizensreversemortgage.com, and that's our website, and they can get some information there as well.
Excellent. Well, I really appreciate your time, Jeff.
All right, Mike. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye, everybody.